Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So in today's video, it's my monthly grocery haul. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna do a grocery haul, so stick around. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MinnieBurrell. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so first I have to do the meat shop first, right? I have to do the meat shop first. So right here, 1 pound of saltfish. I got 1 pound of saltfish right here. Then 4 pound of mixed pots. I have to hurry up and put them in the freezer because them are drip. I never get much meat this week, so I'm just get the saltfish, 4 pound of mixed parts, 4 pound of chicken neck, and I also got 4 pound of grunt fish. So them never have no local mutton, them never have no sliced fish, them never have no beef. And guys, I do meat shop at Master Mac. Yeah, so Master Mac me buy all of my meat them. So for this week I got the saltfish, mixed parts, chicken neck and the grunt fish. So I'm gonna put them in a freezer and come back. Alright guys, so I saw this Rainforest Fruit Bar in the supermarket. Me see most people are rave about this. Most people are go crazy about this, which is made from real fruit, like an icicle thingy. So I'm gonna buy it, so I'm gonna try it, me and the kids them. So there it is. And this is Island Paradise. So I'm gonna try it. They have berry twist, Island Paradise, pineapple, mango, coconut, strawberry. But this one is the Island Paradise. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Alright guys, so we have our cheese. We have a corn on the cob, French fries, and I bought 3 ice cream drumstick. Yeah, I bought that. I got some plantains and I got some bananas. Yeah. Alright, so in most of my grocery vlogs, me telling you, say the things them not really in a order. So anything will come up, me just show on, right? So right here I got apple juice and I have 1 dozen egg. Yeah. Alright, so I have a big box right here. Me can't lift it up or anything, but we just go through, right? Just go through. So 2 teaspoons refined cornmeal, 3 mac and cheese, I have salt and chiffon butter. Every time I try to do the video in a night, you dog them always about, so no mind that. But right here I have some mega punch. I bought the vanilla and I bought the chocolate. So yeah, I also bought the oats porridge. I also bought the oats porridge mix. I have banana and cinnamon because the kids them love it. So I bought the banana and the cinnamon mix oats porridge. You should try it guys, it's really nice, really good. So I bought 3 banana and 3 cinnamon. Get them guys to say it tastes good, believe me. tastes nice. Get it. Alright, so you know me now left out my Lasco. So about 6 Lasco, right? 2 vanilla, 2 almond, and 2 chocolate. So in all I have 6 vanilla Lasco. I also have corned beef, about 4 of them. This time hot, I'm really sweat. So right here I have my milk, browning, and my liquid vanilla. Here I have lime juice, all-purpose seasoning, Betty milk, about 4 of them, and right here I have sweet corn and about 3 of these. We can look for cranberry juice. I got 3 of this. Apple J, about 3. Ginger beer, 3. I don't really buy much things this week, so everything I like 3. And I have my Malta, which about 3 also. Alright, so right here I have Suppogen, about 6, and Ensure Plus, about 6 of this as well, and 3 cran water. Case of Tropical Rhythm. This is the fruit punch flavor. I have a bounty paper towel, file paper, and a case of Cuddles tissue. Alright guys, so I have a big bag right here. These are the snacks, and I'm going to show you everything that I have. So as I said, them not in a order. So Club Social, I got 3. I got the chicken bouillon, I got the seasoning. I have Bridge, about 3 strawberry and 3 chocolate. Chips Ahoy, everything is 3 guys. So Chips Ahoy, so next one here, duplex, 3 duplex. Well, the Ovaltine, about 6. Yeah, about 6 Ovaltine. Combo pack. Cream crackers, about 2 of this. Oh, I also bought some prune. Can you say prune? Good for, you know, constipation. You can get the pitney them. Yeah, so I bought prune. Extra chewing gum. So I bought Nature Valley, about 3 of this, and 3 of the dark chocolate one. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm not really buy much this week because I have some things already. So I got Pringles, about 3 of this. I got a garlic. Crackers, about 2. And we have them red balls, cheese chips up here. I got 3 of it. So this is animal crackers. I got 3. 3 Ruffles. 3 Funcy. Butter bread. I got 3. My daughter really love the butter bread, so I'm gonna grab it this week. So I got 3 of this. I have 3 tea biscuits, the big ones. 3 banana chips. 3 parrot biscuits. 3 of them. And I also got the small tea biscuit. I got 3 of them and 6 bun. Alright, so this is the final bag. So let's see what I got in this bag. I bought myself a notebook, a little journal, a little diary, because I love write and I need to write them some things. So I got myself that little diary. I also got a tongue scraper. Yeah, I'm gonna try this out, you know. Clean a tongue and them something there. Yeah, buy a tongue scraper. I got that. Rubber band black basket. Yeah, me get them here. Two Axie Master. Alright, so I'm gonna buy pear soap. So I bought 3 brown and 3 blue. Yeah, I really like the pear soap them. So yeah, garbage bag. And I'm gonna try out these scents, guys. I see them and I say I really want to try them out. I'm really like, you know, when all smell good and something. So I got the air freshener gel. This one is berry. Can't smell them so, but me know say they smell nice. And I also got the lavender one. Me know say the lavender really it will smell nice. The lavender will smell nice. So I bought 2 of them. So I'm going to test them out and see what they go on, you know. About 2 kiddies toothpaste. Guys, I don't know, I just something about me every time I go to supermarket, I just have to buy a shower curtain. I don't know, like, I'm obsessed with shower curtain, so I just have to grab a shower curtain. So I got this shower curtain. This is the pattern. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm just obsessed with buy shower curtain every time I go to supermarket. I don't know, something. So I got a hand soap jar. Yeah, we put the soap in now because my one in the bathroom, guys, I don't know how it just drop and mash. But I try to get one without, I try to get one with on a glass, but I just stick with this one, and yeah, I hope this not drop and mash. So yeah, I got that. I got Listerine mouthwash. What else? I bought myself a lipstick, and I'm gonna try out this jam, this edge control thingy. I'm gonna try it out. You know, we have the Suavitel. What else we have here? With Downy, Fabuloso. You know, so the place of smell nice. Yeah, get with Dettol. Dishwashing liquid. What else we have? Yes, I bought myself a mousse. Do you have any bread and them something there? Yeah, I need a mousse. Right, this up. I'm about my favorite soap. My Nadinola soap. Guys, I never know say they sell Nadinola soap, so I just have to grab a Nadinola soap because I really need back a Nadinola soap. I got a Revive soap. The other big one when I have in a really done yet, it kind of depends. It done in now, so I just top up with another Revive soap. And I bought myself a lip gloss as well. And what else we have in the bag? Yeah, guys, I guess that is it. Yeah, that is it. I don't have no more bag. Them here are just the pear soap them I have. So yeah, that is it for my meat shop and my grocery haul. Alright, guys, so me and Mia, we are going to try the Rainforest Fruity Bar or Fruit Bar. Yeah, and as I said, this is the Island Paradise, so we are gonna try it. It's made up of natural fruits, so let's go. And I know Mia is excited to try this, and I am excited as well, so let's go. I always watch Meet the Mitchells, and I think Maya Slays, I'm see them always try it out. So let's go. It's 6 in it. 6 is in it. So it's like an icicle thing, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna give you one. And it's easy to melt. Yeah, easy to melt.
It's easy to melt.
Smell nice, smelling.
It smells just like strawberry and grape.
Yes.
And blueberry.
Smell nice.
Yeah, smell nice.
Alright. Just hold it. Don't eat it yet, you know. Just hold it like this. And then I'm going to take out one for myself.
Yeah.
This is mine.
Mommy, that one's pink.
Yeah.
Mine is pink too, because it looks like orange and pink. I'm trying to be melting.
It's melting.
Yeah, it's melting.
All right, cheers. So let's go. Let's try it. Bite it. Bite it. It actually tastes nice. May I try figure out which fruit may I taste, but
Strawberry.
it is strawberry.
Yeah.
It tastes papaya.
Mine tastes strawberry. That is icicle.
I honestly don't know which fruit may I taste. The only fruit may I taste right here is a papaya. I'm gonna say papaya in there.
I get this strawberry.
Well, me I say she tastes strawberry. Strawberry is in there. No papaya not in there. Why may I taste papaya? But the ingredients is water, fruit blend which is strawberry,
Mommy, no,
pineapple.
it's coconut.
Yeah. So the ingredients I'm seeing water, fruit blend. So you have strawberries, pineapple, mango, passion fruit, coconut flakes, cane sugar, natural stabilizer, which is
And
guar
strawberry.
gum, and citric acid. So
What about strawberry?
yeah, strawberries are in there. So me actually right when she says strawberries. Me don't know why me I taste papaya, but
No papaya in there.
mm-mm,
So why did you say papaya?
because that's what I taste. But it's actually good.
Mommy, that.
So this one is Island Paradise.
But looks like it's icicle, right, guys? Look like icicle.
Yeah, it's actually icicle with blended fruit. So then blend up the fruit and turn it in icicle.
But it can be melting.
Yeah, easy to melt.
Yeah.
But it's actually
mine is
good.
melting in my hand, my finger. Look, it's melting.
Bite it up. Bite it and eat it before you melt. It's good. You guys should try it. You can try it and let me know in the comments if you like it. If you already tried this, drop it in the comments and tell me if you like it.
I like it.
Me too. Next time I go back for buy this, I go buy one different flavor. So them have berry twist. This is the Island Paradise. They have pineapple, mango, coconut, and strawberry. So when we go back again, we buy one different flavor. Alright guys, so it's the end of today's video. I hope you do enjoy this video with the grocery haul and with me and Mia trying out for the first time the fruit bars, right? So remember guys to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you will be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MinnieBurrell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.